Matthew is back, finally. Here we've got a roof on. I don't know, eh? This doesn't look too hot. I don't know how.
Don't worry about it. This is all working, but now there's light shining onto it. So let me turn the lights on. The fuel gauge works, the float works, the clock works. Everything is fucking working. The only thing we haven't connected is the hooter, but that's easy.
Shit.
You see here?
You mean we've got a hooter?
Can you actually see the light?
Yeah, you can see and brake.
No, I can't yet. I'm connected to the brakes.
You said everything works.
No,
brake
the
means there's brake lights
The
too.
brakes I still got to adjust, but they're almost there. And you see, I had this made so that it doesn't. You can't see the bulb behind here.
Okay.
All right. So, it's now a registered CA number, eh? Huh?
Ah, lekker.
The soft top. Oh my God! Give me a light, please. The soft top's been something else. 5 times I've hit it backwards and forwards.
Really?
Yeah. We're almost there now. Kiana, we need to think about something else that's very important. I hunted around for this. And I only bought one at Rubber Products this week. It's actually a gear lever.
Yeah,
You can't find anything else. You've got to cover this. And you look on the pictures. There's another one there I must take off. There is nothing else you can do, I promise you. That's been my biggest headache. I've got to finish this off in here because there's going to be an aluminium thing here with rubber on there and as well on there. Check, we got all this in. Okay, but now you cannot put enough pressure on this to pull it down. With these things, it'll pull out. We need to have some sort of a catch thing that you can pull down on there to get enough tension on it. The inside is looking really nice. Now I've just got to finish it off, and I've bought rubber that we can put in between here. Okay. We put wood in here now. We did this on the side as well. But there has to be some sort of a catch
Yeah, no, there's a
on both sides that we can pull it down.
Oh.
You know.
The
Yeah.
wipers are on.
Wipers are working.
They look a little bit skew.
No, because you know when you put it in the off position, just wait.
Must have been off position.
Yeah. So, oops. You got to get in the right position because when you push it, it's away from the. How does it switch on now? Hang on. Because in the off position, it must go here if you want to open the window.
Correct.
You see? And now you switch it off. Wait. Let it switch off. It depends where it feels happy to stop, you see.
Oh dear.
Yeah. Anyway, but yeah, I think it's fucking cool, man.
And the mirror is on.
The mirror's on.
No, she looks good.
Yeah. We put this on. There's nothing else we can do here. There's fuck all else. The other problem is like every time I open it, okay, this part here is loose, so that's got to fold in. It's a mission to fold it in, eh?
Is it? So yeah, dude, I'm gonna probably, I don't know.
And then I've been Bring up, because you need 2 people, and then that thing rolls up to here.
Okay.
So I think there's still some sort of a stud thing that must go in here where the strap holds it. And at the same time, on the way back, when it's in here, there's a strap that holds it here. So it's just like being trial and error, and I've been looking at the pictures, and you don't find much.
No.
But at least this looks nicely finished now, you see. It's not a modern day soft top thing, eh?
No, it's not.
This is what we copied it off, and I've been to the oak 4 or 5 times, modifying it. And that's the best we've got it.
No, it looks good, my man.
Rubbers must go in
When
here
can
now.
we drive her?
Yeah.
I'm ready. I'm ready to drive her now.
Yeah, I know, we can't. I want to get it out of here. Get it up. Get it up. And the brakes worry me like you cannot believe.
You should have driven the Mark IV, eh?
Even driving it in and out there, you know, whoa, and you had a hand on the handbrake and a brick behind. I want to just set this all up. You know, now that it's got the weight on it. We've tried it before, but it was just the chassis. So we've probably got to tighten up a hell of a lot more and hope to hell it all beds in. I don't even know if I want to do the first test drive here. I think it's got to go down and around that road.
Yeah, that's what we.
On the flat, yeah.
That's what
and
we
then
thought.
go backwards, forward, and see what happens. That's going to be a very, very interesting and exciting time. I
No,
think.
lekker, man.
There's hardly any parts left. We're just about there.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to still build that thing for the boot. That cover thing. Lots of little
Cover thing?
things. Well, when you open the boot, we've got a
Okay.
just
The inside of the boot.
Yeah.
Okay.
The rubbers must go in there. I mean, we've cracked it. We've cracked it to a large extent. Now the fiddle work starts getting it running. You know, the other day I had it running beautifully, absolutely beautifully. Today we started, it runs like a pig. You know, I must check the points I'm not
But
now.
it's also the fuel we have nowadays are a lot different than the fuel we had back
It
then.
wouldn't start. I think
Like-
last
like-
weekend we left the lights on.
On the Mark IV, I bought a fuel additive to get it to run proper.
We changed the plugs now for long and to short reach because you can't get the original plugs. I don't know what the original
But
plugs were like.
you must add an additive to the fuel,
We
eh?
need to do that. Oh yeah, and now here, this piece, okay, we figured out how we're going to do that. We're going to make it out of a piece of alley and shape it, because we've got, here, I fish these things out, we can make, oh yeah, it's the same as the E-type, which they use fucking 60 years later, they just go in here. When
Okay. Oh,
So
lekker.
that we're going to spray grey, then we put these in here. So we're very lucky. That I was going to put on the front. But these babies now, you see, they try to repair them, but they just couldn't.
No.
can't.
I also try to repair it.
No.
So it's,
So my idea is, we use these as a template. We go and get a thick piece of aluminium, and we shape it and make it, and then we polish it. That's the only answer.
and maybe send it for chroming as well.
I don't know if they can chrome aluminium.
Oh shit.
Aluminium's light, we can glue it on.
Okay.
We can't do all of this now with the screws. You know, if it's flat underneath, we can use very thin double-sided tape, stick it on.
Yeah.
Yeah. What else do you do? So yeah, and you'll now be spraying those beadings. Got the rubbers for them. So that's going to be lekker, and we can mount those on the fenders. And then start finishing off that Jag. Yeah. Anyway.
No murders.
You don't need it.
No, before there was too many cars on the road.
Check. Look, yeah.
Oh, whew. Everything works.
The battery's dead.
Oh.
Is the battery? No, the battery's dead.
Oh.
I'm going to finish off the stuff. Put the chrome beadings on. Finished off all this stuff here now. Same as on the other side, which was quite a mission. We got the window in. What a job. Yeah, alright. Got the window in. There we go. We can see a hell of a lot through that window. But it's starting to look like a Jag now. So, constant cleaning. We got to polish it. We first got to polish this now, and then we can mount these other things in here, huh? Don't slap the poor thing.
This thing is not clean.
Well, just get a chamois then.
Chamois also same.
So yeah, so I've finished it off here. So when this now, oops, goes up, it goes in front of there. So that's neat. I'm gonna still pull the bottoms down when I put the top down tomorrow, and get another rubber here. That rubber is temporary. And then I've got the piping made, which is going to go in here to finish that off. That's tomorrow's job. Yeah. Well, it's starting to look like an SS now. Let's hope the Nazis don't come.